if you want to recover your deleted data from USB drive or hard disk or PC, so this is the perfect video for you. So using this application, you can recover your deleted partition as well. So let's see how we can do that. So first you have to do just go to this website. This is www.wonderfoxrecovery.com. so if you come here we have an application RecoveryFox AI. Okay, so using this application we will recover all your data. So if you just scroll down a little bit, this application is available for Windows. Okay, and using this you can recover the data from hard disk, SSD, USB drive, SD card and other storage device. Okay, so here we have an option free download. So once you click here, okay, so this will download. This is a very small application, and once done you can click on open and install it. Okay, so once installation is done, you will see this kind of icon on your desktop. Okay, so just double click on this icon and it will start. Okay, and you should have enough space to recover the data on your machine. Okay, so this is a very simple interface, and this recovery will complete in 3 steps. So select location, scan, and then recovery. This is a very simple application, and it will recover 100% data. Okay, so if you see, it is showing all your partition and a few of the deleted partition as well. So if you see at the bottom, lost partition, so these are the partition that I deleted some time back. Okay, so I can recover these also, and this is a pen drive, HP pen drive, this is a D drive, and this is C drive. Okay, so let me show you the status in this PC. So if you see, I have three partitions. Okay, and C, this is the operating system partition, and this D, this is a HP USB drive, 64 GB pen drive, and this is a completely empty. Let me show you inside also. Okay, and we will recover the entire data from this pen drive that I deleted. Okay, just now, and sometime back also, few data I deleted, those also we will try to recover. Let's see how we can do that. Okay, so this is the pen drive it is showing. Okay, and here if you see right side, you can recover the data from your recycle bin or desktop or a specific partition or USB drive. So once I click on this drive, it will start the scanning. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so as you can see on the bottom, okay, scanning progress it is showing here. Okay, almost done. Okay, so it is started. Okay, and here it is scanning, quick scan and AI scan. These are the two options. Using these two method, it will scan the entire data, and this window will close in few seconds, or if you want you can close it from here. Okay, and at the bottom if you see the progress is showing over here 3 point it is showing in percentage, and we have a pause option and a stop option is also here. And over here you will see file path. Under that it will show the path, and file type it will show by the file type also. Okay, and over here you will see the number of file it is recovering one by one. Okay, so that progress we will see here also. Okay, and over here you will see, if you want to extend, you can extend this, and you will see slowly all the files are recovering. Okay, if I click on the exe, it will show all the exe files. If I click on the jpg, it will show the jpg files also. And once it is recovered, we can right click and preview the images or the files. Okay, and this will take some time. So meanwhile I will tell you that this is not a free application, and my suggestion, don't search any kind of free recovery application on internet. Better you go with a professional application. Okay, and if your data is important, you go to this website, and I'll show you. Okay, it is you can see the progress. Okay, and don't interrupt this process, and it will take some time. Okay, and let me show you. If you go to this website, scroll down a little bit. Okay, and over here you will see the plans. Okay, and if you are a professional, I will suggest you go with 1 year or lifetime. If you want to use this for your personal PC, desktop or laptop, so you go with a 1 month or 1 week, okay, as per your requirement. Okay, so with this you can recover it. Instead of paying huge amount to a professional, you can recover the data at home only. Now let me show you the progress. You can see the speed, but it will take time, depend on your storage size and how much data you had earlier in that device. So I'll fast forward this video and show you after completion. You may see this pop up. Okay, so here what is mentioned, unwritten space detected. So maybe your device is having unwritten space, because of that you will see this error. So here what you can do, you can click on OK. So with that it will complete the scanning quickly. Okay, so if it is unwritten, don't cancel it, just click on OK. Okay, and here it will take some time, and then it will complete the scanning. Now here if you see, it is mentioned AI scan complete 100%. Okay, and now we'll see. Okay, so here it is showing all the files. This is file path, and if you come here, file type, you will see the number of documents, photos, audios, videos, and other files scanned. Okay, so if you want to recover the entire files, okay, from the storage device, that you can do. But my suggestion, if you have only important few data, like few photos or audios or videos, you can select that specific file category, or you can select the specific file directly. Okay, so let me show you. If you see, if you want, you can right click on the file and click on preview. So with that you will see the preview of that file. So these are the few small file. Maybe we can show you few other. Okay, so let me show you few of the file preview. So if I right click on this file and click on preview, it will show the preview. Okay, and if you see at the bottom, it is showing all the big files. So what you have to do, and on the top it is in 0 byte. Okay, so you just click on the size. Okay, so it will rearrange, and as per your requirement you can see the preview. And if you want to recover a specific file, you can do that. Just select that particular file and you can click on recover. Or if you want to recover the entire photos, so that also you can do. Okay, so for this time I will recover only few files. This is only for testing, so I'm selecting only photos, and other also you can select as per your requirement. For now I'm only selecting the photos. So now I can click on the recover, and if you select this, it will show selected. Okay, so these many file I have selected. Okay, so let's click on recover, and here it is asking the location where we want to save it. Okay, so let me create a folder on the desktop. So you can create a folder. Okay, you can save the data anywhere. Make sure you have enough space there. Okay, and I have created a folder on the desktop. This is the folder. Okay, let me select, and it is started. So it is recovering. Okay, now don't close this. It may take some time, depend on your file size. So while the recovery, also you can see the progress here, even if you open this folder. Okay, so this folder we have selected, and it is showing HDD. That means it is this drive. Okay, this pen drive it is. So let me open, and it is showing a photos. Okay, we only selected photos, so it is recovering only photos. Okay, and here we have a few files. Okay, jpg, gif, bmp. So let me show you the gif folder. So here if you see, so many folder so many files it is recovered. Okay, I don't have any file right now, but all these recovered, and still it is in progress. And if you see in the jpg, I have these many photos. It is recovered. Okay, and it is still going on. Okay, so let me close, and once done I will show you the full update. So now you can see all the file is recovered successfully. Okay, so all the data is recovered. So let me see whether it is showing there or not. So once you click OK, it will directly open, or you can go to the file location directly. Okay, so let me open the folder. So it is recovered all these files. Okay, this is BMP, GIF, JPG, PNG, SVG. So here we have only one file. Here we have around 230 files, and over here JPG we have around 180 1834 files recovered, and here we have PNG files, around 12,000 PNG files we have. Okay, you can see all the files here. So here we have a few files, 11. Okay, so all the 100% data it is recovered. Let me see what is the file, how much it is recovered. Okay, so it is recovered around 20 GB. It is recovered 20 GB, and I will show you again that right now I don't have any data in this pen drive. It is recovered huge data from this pen drive. So definitely this application will recover 100% of your data. If you have any doubt, comment below. We will reply to all the comment. And if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.